First, it's about the three-phase inverter. So this is the interface of our inverter. Okay. Take a look at the first picture. From left to right, this is the PV interface. We have two MPPT modules, so we can connect two PV modules into the inverter. And this is the GPRS interface. Here is a Wi-Fi interface. This is the battery interface, communication interface, grid, DG. DG means diesel generator, and EPS load interface. Okay, look at the second picture. This is the real look when taking off the waterproof cover. And take a closer look at the communication interface. There are 6 interfaces here, but we just need to use 2 of them. One is CT here. CT is for anti-reflux, and the other is BMS. It's for the communication between battery and inverter. These are all the tools required during the installation. Okay, so when you start drilling holes on the wall, make sure the holes are at least 60 millimeters deep so that the bracket can support the inverter. Okay, about the PV connection, you just need to plug the PV connector into the corresponding PV terminal on the inverter. Then grid connection. We need to unscrew the waterproof cover at first. Then you will see the grid interface here. First, we should prepare 5 cables. Thread the cables through the waterproof cover at first. Then there are 6 screws here. Respectively, they represent the phase A, phase B, phase C, none, and a ground. Insert the cables into the grid interface accordingly. The EPS connection is quite the same with the grid connection. Okay, the bad connection. We just need to remember the black is negative and the red is positive. So insert the battery cables into the bad interface accordingly. About the communication connection, we need to install 2 cables. One is CT, and the other is the battery to inverter communication cable. At first, we thread the cables through the cover and insert the CT line to the CT interface, the inverter to battery communication cable to the BMS interface. After that, screw the waterproof cover to the inverter. Okay, about the CT installation, I'd like to emphasize we should pay attention to the color of each CT's line. The yellow connect phase A, green connect phase B, and the red connect phase C. At last, install the grounding cable. Just screw it on the left side of the inverter. Okay, so this is about the inverter installation.